Hello, so happy to see you all guys. I'm Shelly coming from Inspring, Guilin, China. Today I would like to introduce a special design for you. It looks very commonized. It looks simple, but it's not easy. It's made of new PP material. It's eco-friendly. Let me show you its function. Now, pay attention to this part. We can use it for the bracelet skirts. We can put the scalp into these hooks. It avoids anti-slip. It avoids falling off. It serves the anti-slip function. Here, pay attention to the bar. We can put the scarf into it's multifunctional, right? Okay, what more function can you figure out? Let me show you. Look at this design. Can you figure out? Let me show you. If you are hanging this t-shirt, you can put it on in this way. It will avoid too much scratch on the collar parts. Keep the t-shirt in good shape. Look, it's very nice, right? Do you like this design? Now, we have more designs for your option.